Hello everyone, hope you are doing good today. So in my last video I have shown to you how to integrate a Lambda using custom integration. Okay, that means in API Gateway we were creating the event and then we were passing that custom event to the Lambda. Okay, but in this video I am going to explain you how you can invoke a Lambda function from API Gateway using a proxy integration. Okay, that means we are going to pass full HTTP event to the Lambda. Okay, so now let me show you the Lambda. So in my last video I have already explained you the custom integration. Okay, so I will provide you the link of that video in the description and also the full source code, the custom and the full event in the GitHub repo, and you will find the link of the source code in the description of this video. You can download it and you can test it in your local. So this is the custom Lambda. Okay, you see we have implemented request handler. Okay, and the input is the custom Java class. Okay, and the input was like this. Okay, if we go to this, this is the custom input Lambda. Okay, the input of the Lambda like this. Okay, a custom event. Okay, you can see all in my last video, but today I'm going to show you the proxy integration. Okay, so this is the proxy Lambda. Okay, that is I have named it hello world full event. Okay, so here we have implemented request stream handler. Okay, and the handler signature is like input stream. It will receive the event as an input stream. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to read that input stream. Okay, and then we have to convert it to a JSON object. Okay, so I have used this library com.google code JSON simple. Okay, to parse that full HTTP event. So first I am reading the event using the buffer reader. Okay, and then I am reading this using this JSON parser. Okay, so I am getting the full event. Okay, and I have also printed the event in log to show you. Okay, what we are going to receive from API Gateway. Okay, and then you have to read this event object. Okay, so for me I am reading the path param only. Okay, because in my last video I have only shown to you the only one input, that is the name, and then we are sending back to the name to the user. Okay, so here I am getting it from the path param, and the name is the key of the path param is name, and then we are getting the values from this. Okay, and then we are setting it in a JSON, and we are creating a JSON like this message hello and the input name, and then we are creating a JSON, and then we are printing it to the output stream. Okay, you see like this. Okay, so it's quite different from that. Okay, and for me it's more clean, the custom input one. Okay, you see it's very simple. You are generating the custom event in the API layer. Okay, but here we are passing everything from API to Lambda, and then we are getting it from the HTTP event object. Okay, so this object will contain the full HTTP event. Okay, that I'm going to show you. Okay, so I have already created this Lambda in API Gateway in AWS Lambda. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the full event Lambda. So I have already created a test event. Okay, so you see this is the input. You see this is quite complicated. Okay, and the last one was very simple. Okay, so this is the full HTTP event. Okay, you will get all the thing, raw path, the version, the headers, the query from, the request context. Okay, and for this is the path from. You will also get the body and the path from. So I am retrieving this one. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, if you test it, okay, so you see this is the return. Okay, and then you see I have printed the event. So event is like this, you will receive this event. Okay, and then you have to convert it to a JSON object using JSON parser. You can use the Google JSON, you can use the JSON provided by Java, okay, java.util.json, or you can use the object mapper, whatever you want, okay. So now let me show you how you can create a proxy integration with the API gateway, okay. So this one I have shown to you in my last video, that is a custom integration, okay. But now I will show you if you go to create API, okay, you will go to REST API and then my API proxy integration Lambda, okay. You can put the description anything, then create API. So I will create a source hello, same as the last one with the custom input, so that you can compare, okay. You can watch my last video, I will provide you the link in this description. And then here I will create a path variable called name, okay. You see this is the full event, okay. Here you see the path param equal to name, because in my Lambda I am retrieving it from the path param, okay, and this is the key name, so we have to put in the path param. So this is the path param name, okay. Now we have to create a method, so it should be get, okay, and the Lambda function, and then you have to, okay, you have to make it on. That means you have to select this Lambda proxy integration, okay, and then you have to select the Lambda. So for me this is the full one, yes, and then create method, okay. Now if you go to the integration request, you see the proxy integration is true, okay, and the function name is this one, okay. So you don't have to do anything here, okay. You don't need any template here, just you need to select it, proxy integration, and then let's deploy it, okay. Lambda proxy, okay. There is a typo mistake, so don't worry about it. So this is our URL. Now let me invoke it. So I will put my full name, okay. Now let's hit the enter. You see the output, it's from the Lambda, okay, and it's a proxy integration. So now let me show you the CloudWatch log, okay. So this is the full Lambda. If you go to the monitor window, then CloudWatch, and then go to the search log groups and go to the last 5 minutes, okay. You see this is the input event, okay. I have printed, okay. So this is the event we are receiving from API gateway, you see this is the JSON, and then you have to retrieve all the information you need inside your Lambda, okay. So we are not doing any BTL parsing, that is using velocity template language in API gateway layer, okay. We are just passing the full HTTP event, and you have to retrieve everything from this input. And this is from my last test, and this is from the test we did now from the API layer. You see this is the path, okay. We are passing the path, and here you see the path param, the what we passed from the URL, okay. And we just received all the API gateway, you see all these are from API layer, okay. Request context, you can retrieve whatever you want from this HTTP event, okay. This is the full HTTP event, and we are parsing it like this, okay. So if you want to parse the header, you just need to get the header key from here, okay. So if you want a query from, you just need to get the query from here. You can copy paste it, and then you can put another thing here, you can rename it. You just go to the event, okay, and here file path param, we don't have query param, so you can't see it here. So you just if you have query param, then you just need to like this query parameters, okay, that's it, and you can retrieve all the things here. So that's proxy integration with the Lambda, you can see from here, okay. So in my last video I have already explained to you the custom integration, and in this video I already shown to you the proxy integration. So you can watch all my videos if you want to work on AWS, so that you can easily develop APIs using custom or proxy integration, whatever you want. It's depend on your project requirement. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you like the content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please like the video. And in my next video I will show you how you can trigger the Lambda function from an S3 event, okay, and we will also going to see what type of event object we will receive from S3. So that's all from today. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.